Alright, this is a stripped Champion 400 gearbox. This video is going to be unedited and just quick and dirty. The reason it's stripped is because of this. It's way too big of a blower for that gearbox to have ever handled. This has been disassembled once or twice, so nothing's an adjustment at all, but it'll be reasonable to show what's going on. Normal slide cover, it's off. This gear has bicycle bearings behind it. They're not an adjustment right now because it's going to get rebuilt, but everyone can figure that one out. Set that there. Same for the output shaft. This worm wheel set, 11 starts, 88 teeth, speed increase, all that fun. The tips of these gears are completely gone. The machining technology at the time was not the best, so this axle is set true and straight with really good bearings. The input shaft is set true and straight in a fixed position with really good bearings. But the depthing on this wheel is the part people keep screwing up, and they don't understand it, how it was made. It was machined at the same time as this, but adjustment was needed to get these two setups correctly depthed. This is the end float to set the position of this gear. It has a hard ball bearing to keep the shaft in the right spot. So a little flat spot to keep the ball bearing behind here happy. This comes out to set the next step. And all these parts are sharp and never deburred. So the ball bearing is here on this shaft. There is a bronze bushing inside, which is pinned. The reason it's pinned is these are machined eccentric by about a 64th of an inch to a 32nd, depending on which one you get, so that when you take and rotate each individual side of this bronze bushing, you can set the plane of the gear and set the depth of this bronze gear to make this worm wheel set or cross helical gear set work. Because the position of these two gears doesn't actually matter too much for the function of the system. Once the guy at the factory aligned this bronze gear to the output, they would drill and pin. So typically these get egg shaped because no one greased them, and the grease cups are empty right now because I cleaned them out. But this is where the actual adjustment, the final adjustment after this set of bearings and this set of bearings is finished, happens. And that's just what it is.